Hello and welcome to another demo of the Solo theme. My name is Ala Haddad and I am the developer of the Solo theme, and we are going to talk about a cool feature we have in the bottom uh, regions. So if I go to Solo setting, and I am going to see what is the features we have here. So bottom regions has four uh, sub-regions inside them. And where is the bottom region? It's actually under the main container. So if I go to the side here, I see them here. Those are the four sub-regions inside the big container. And that's what it is. So before in the old theme, you didn't have the option. You had only like 25-20 split between all of them, and that's it, I guess. In this new theme, I give you the option so you can also have a control on percentage if you have 2 com or 3 com or 4 com. So if you fill, like now I have it in structure block layout, if I go to that region, I have filled them with 4 blocks. And so if I go here, I have and here is, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 filled. So if I go and configure this one number 4, and just let's say no, I want it to only show on the home page and any other thing, and that's show for the listed page, and click. So if I click here, that's the 4 here is. But if I want to open a new tab and click on the other one, so now there are 3. So now you get the idea, but they're divided, same thing. Where is that setting coming from? That is coming from here. If you go to the setting, and that's what it is. So if you have 3, you could set it to this way. If you have 2, you could set it whatever way. These are the options. If you have 2 blocks, if you have 3 blocks, or if you have 4 blocks, these are the options you get. So if I have 2 here, I could pick this, and if I have 3, I could pick this, and if I have 4, I could do like something like this. And if I save, you will see what's going to change. They're going to change these ones now, and this one. I didn't activated 2 yet, but this is the idea. It's the same. So you get different kind of layout. There is, you see, it changed. So this one here, and if I click now on the 4, here is the 4. They changed, and this is just more control, and it gives you the ability to choose which content you're trying to print and show it in more, I guess, modern way. And also the options, what other options we have in the bottom containers. Bottom containers, it's green, just like the others. Any big regions who had some sub-regions inside them. And the sub-regions, you will see them here. So the other options you have for the bottom container, this option, if you want it to be visible on all page or on home page only, that's mean when the user come to the site, you will only see it on the home page. All of it. This is the setting for all of them, not just one. For the whole region, for the 4, the bottom container. So you could choose from this one. And if you want it on the home page only, so if I set this one, and this is the home, this is the home. If I refresh, I'm still getting it there, but this is not the home. If I refresh, I shouldn't see it there, as it disappear, so it's not there anymore. And this is the feature. And what other feature we have in the bottom container? Yes, board rounded rounded corners around the edges. That's the same thing here. If you choose, these are the options you could pick and choose. I would give you an example. If I choose here and refresh now, you will see. So these are the rounded corner. I don't know if you can see, but let's make it more obvious. Uh, Bottom container, make it bigger and visible on all page back. And another option, you add border if you try to add border for that region. So let's check this one. I will show you. Maybe we'll give you different color. You can see better what I'm talking about here, the rounded corners. I'm waiting until it's save. That should give you yeah, see now it's these rounded corners. So this is the option, this option you have here. See, so if I do, you have them big, that size, you could change them to different size you like. It suit your style, or the layout you're choosing for. Another and the last one I think is that the animation. Animation, I think it's good when you try to emphasize on some content. So this one also add animation for the region. So this one add where it is, and I didn't check it. Okay, here it is. Save. Command Shift R. Okay, this is the animation. You see it, and I keep here it is. So these options are in the bottom containers. I hope you like them, and see you in the next one.